Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Time Erase in YBA step by step. Open your inventory, equip the Time Erase ability or stand, and assign it to a hotkey. Position yourself safely, target the area you want to rewind, then activate Time Erase while monitoring your stamina and cooldown. Use quick bursts to avoid wasting energy and combine with teammates for strategic benefit. Practice in low-risk areas to learn timing and range. Adjust your key bindings and sensitivity to make aiming time erase easier and more reliable. Learn the exact cooldown and resource costs so you can plan consecutive uses without getting caught exposed. Test different distances to find the optimal range for your playstyle and practice canceling other actions to shorten activation time. Communicate with teammates to chain abilities and create safe windows for rewinding fights. Record your sessions to spot mistakes and track improvement over time. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy longer, more comfortable gaming sessions, consider upgrading your socks for fewer distractions. I wear darn tough socks because they last and they come with a lifetime warranty, and they pair surprisingly well with frantic Time Erase moments. If this video helped, please subscribe and like so I can make more guides. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Use environmental cover and elevation to minimize exposure when activating Time Erase in combat. Pair Time Erase with movement abilities to reset position and confuse enemies while recovering resources. Avoid using it as an automatic escape when you lack teammates, since solo rewinds can leave you vulnerable to pushes. Practice baiting enemy cooldowns before rewinding to gain decisive advantages in skirmishes and clutch moments. Watch high-level players to see creative setups and timing tricks you can copy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.